The first step will be getting it ready to start my constructing. Because I want to have a bigger shelf on this, I'm going to go ahead and take out that center board, and then when I build my shelf below, it'll work just perfectly. One of the nice things about that oscillating saw is that it can actually cut through nails. So for a deconstruction project like this, that was just perfect. Also, with this old dresser, their track was the raised board that was in the center, and I was able to use that to just kind of go down the center and take that out because I'm putting the shelves in there. The top drawer I'm going to keep, so I went ahead and I kept that, and I am going to start sanding now, and then we'll move on to the next step. The most important thing with the sanding on the top is getting all of the old stain off as possible. But for the rest of the unit, I'm actually going to be painting it white. So with it being white, that's not an issue. You still want to get off any old and chipping paint or stain. Now that it's been sanded and wiped down, I'm gonna do my first layer of chalk paint, allow it to dry, and then I'll do one more layer of chalk paint. The painting is completed. I went ahead and I lined the inside in between the little wooden supports, which I had also painted white, but where I covered, I didn't worry about painting. I chose a liner that I thought would work well with the colors, and then I added some supports to the outside edges so that I had something to put my shelves on. Now if I was to do it again, I would probably do a little larger shelf or larger supports just so that I had a bigger target for nailing the boards into, but that's what I have to deal with. I've also already used the finishing wax on my shelf boards. Now I'm going to sand down the white on the outside, make it have kind of that distressed look, and then I will place in my shelving boards. The next step is to use the finishing wax. I do the brown wax on the top to match the shelves, and then I do the clear wax all over everywhere where the white is.